Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to create shake to reveal story on Instagram. And all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. Then from here, we are going to tap on our story here. From there, we are going to choose a photo or a video that we want to create a share to reveal with. So let's say I choose this one. Then from there, I'm going to tap on my stickers. And then I am going to tap on frame. Then here at the frame, I am going to tap on this one. Then let's see, I'm going to type in shake to reveal. Once I've typed in those words, I am going to tap on done. Then I'm going to tap on this arrow. Then I'm going to tap on share. Then I'm going to tap on share stories. Then I'm going to tap on add to add the highlights. Then I'm going to tap on done. I'm going to tap on OK. Then once I tap on my story, cues that I do shake my phone, I will be able to reveal what is actually inside. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.